The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. All is quiet for us right now. We're likely going to be staying pretty quiet here for at least the next day or two as we brought in the scope just a little bit for you. Friends, you'll notice that there's really not a whole lot in the way of any inclement weather anywhere around us. And that means we're going to continue to have high pressure involved in our weather for the next couple of days. And that means for us, next chance frame may not come until Thursday or Friday. So enjoy the dry weather while it's here. Just know that it is going to be hot. So take good care of yourself, bring the pets inside, and keep an eye on the elderly as well. Tonight, nothing worse than partly cloudy. Tuesday, we're looking at perhaps a little bit of cloud cover to start the day, but you need to know as the day goes on, I think any clouds will likely dissipate for us, and probably we'll actually see a little more sunshine in the afternoon than what we're going to be seeing tomorrow morning. Tomorrow night, skies are fair, and then Wednesday, 7 a.m., we start out with a whole lot of sunshine. May see a couple more clouds by Wednesday afternoon, but really Tuesday and Wednesday, not much is going to happen for us. We're just going to be pretty hot tomorrow, cooler on Wednesday, and there's just going to be some clouds around every now and again on Tuesday and Wednesday, in addition to a little bit of smoke and haze. Into the tropics we go. While it's quiet here, it is far from quiet in the tropics. We're tracking Tropical Storm Franklin, Tropical Depression Gert, and Tropical Depression number 9, not to mention another wave further out in the Atlantic that could become either Harold or Idalia here over the course of the next 2 to 3 days. No immediate threat for any tropical rain here, but as we look into the tropics, we're going to start by showing you that there are 4, maybe 5 different storm systems we're watching. The first one will be Franklin. Franklin likely is going to make its way on land in the island of Hispaniola, probably more in the Dominican Republic than in Haiti, and then emerge just to the east of the Bahamas, where it could get a little bit closer to Bermuda as we head potentially into the weekend. In addition to that, we're watching Tropical Depression number 9. That could go into the southern part of Texas here as we head into Tuesday or Tuesday night. And we're not done yet. We also have Tropical Depression Gert. Gert is looking really paltry, and likely we won't be talking about Gert for much longer. Has winds right now of 30. Hurricane Center gives it about a 70% chance of development as it moves into the middle part of the Atlantic. So we're watching 4, if not 5 different storm systems as this X marks another tropical wave that is going to move north and probably just be a fish storm. But things are really active right now. But you need to know it's kind of to be expected at this time of year, as the peak of hurricane season is just a couple of weeks away. All right, let's come back closer to home here. 70 right now in Hot Springs, 67 Wytheville, still 80 at 1116 in Roanoke, lower 70s Lynchburg, Martinsville, and in Danville. For tonight, warm, a little bit muggy out there. Overnight lows about 63 to 71. As we look ahead over the next 3 days in the NRV, you're looking at your best chance for some pop-up thunder showers lying on Thursday. In the Highlands, you go from 90 Tuesday to 84 Wednesday, back up to 90 on Thursday. Again, this is for Covington and Clifton Forge. You're going to be much, much cooler in Highland and Bath counties. And in Southside, your hottest day will probably be tomorrow, 94 degrees in Martinsville, Danville, and South Boston. Lynchburg, you go from the middle 80s Wednesday into the mid to upper 90s Friday, down to near 80 on Monday. Temperature roller coaster for everybody across the region. And in Roanoke, your dry Tuesday, Wednesday, hit or miss thunder showers Thursday, Friday, Saturday, drying out Sunday and Monday. All right, as far as your 3 degrees is concerned, I did put it in the show.
Oh, no, but you can do, well, we ran it at 7. I don't know if you remember.
I do. We forecast 95. The actual high was 94. $10 in the pot. I want to say $530.
Right. We may have to double check that, but $10 is going in the pot.
Yes.
We can confirm that.
I actually accidentally clicked through it and I can't get back now. But yes, we did put $10 in the pot today. It was a hot day. Another hot day tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be a bullseye. We can throw $100 in for the YMCA.